Hi. Here in my hand, I have a 3-in-1 multi-tool folding pocket knife by Xiphais Outdoor Life. Xiphais as in X-I-P-H-I-A-S. Now the knife is stainless steel. It flips open, and to show you how sharp it is, here I have a piece of cardboard. It is completely intact. All I have to do is just press down and it cuts through the cardboard. And then it also has grooves on the side here that help also with sawing. And then I can just fold it back down. It also has a hook here that you can hook onto your belt or your pocket, and then a foldable LED light that when you twist it, it will turn on. Hold on, twisting it the wrong way. And there you go. And then when you want to turn it off, you just slightly twist it off. Now be aware that on the inside here, where the battery is stored, there is a small piece of a battery covering. So you want to take that out when you use it. And then hidden here on the side is a fire starter that you just slip out like that. Alrighty. And then here we also have rope handles here, so that is not prone to breaking at all. It is very strong. And then it just has a little hard, almost plastic-like cotton material or fabric that you can store the knife in, and it is just sealed shut via Velcro, just like that, with a binding on the sides here to prevent any thread from unraveling. Alrighty, that is all. This was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.